Brain Rot. Welcome to Brain Rot Mania. Throw your enemies off the ground to win the game. Now that's a fantastic hit. Ow! Damn, that hit shake my balls. Wow. Fur Patamis has been set flying. Oh no. Wow. That's a very nice hit. Everyone's angry. Chaos in every direction, beautifully unplanned. That's sick.
Dried out tears of sorrow.
Tralalero Tralala has been sent to swim in the air. And we've got chaos in every direction, beautifully unplanned. Oh no, La Vaca Solita has been eliminated. Oh my God. Now that's a fur Patamis has been set flying.
Moving with the motion, following the light that sets
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I'll never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. breakdown. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Now that's a
As you
fantastic
fade
hit.
away.
Oh my
As
God.
you fade away. tell me what's wrong and
Wow,
why you never
that's a very
said
nice
you
hit.
felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake
Oh my
a smile
God.
until I look away.
Oh, a dramatic fall. Oscar-worthy. And we've got chaos in every direction. Beautifully unplanned. It's like a ballet. If everyone was angry and uncoordinated. Forward to the ring and somehow all four are already confused. Wow, wow, wow! Damn, man, didn't take my ball. Combardino Brobadillo has been eliminated and Tralalelo Tralalo wins.